Number 1. 1993 Chevrolet 2500, price $6,000, with an impressive 430,000 miles on the odometer. Powered by a 350 V8 engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, it delivers classic performance and durability. The truck features a bright red exterior complemented by a gold interior. The body is straight, and the paint applied just 4 years ago still presents well. It rides on stylish wheels with good tires, and the air conditioning blows cold, making it a comfortable choice for daily driving or work. 2 years ago, the transmission was completely rebuilt by Bishop Transmission in Dallas. However, it is currently stuck in 5th gear for an unknown reason. Despite this, the drivetrain has seen recent investment, including a new clutch, pressure plate, and throwout bearing. Additionally, the truck benefits from new brakes all around. Number 2. 1982 Chevrolet 2500, price $8,500, equipped with a powerful 454 big block V8 engine paired with a TH400 automatic transmission. Finished in a classic brown exterior with a tan interior, it presents a timeless vintage look with solid mechanical upgrades and great potential. The truck has received numerous recent updates, including a new carburetor, intake manifold, distributor, spark plugs and wires, water pump, and battery. The interior has also been refreshed with a new dash cap, carpet, and updated gauges, making it a comfortable place to cruise in. It rides on good tires and holds a clean title. While it runs and drives well, there are a few minor issues to be aware of. The front windshield needs replacement, and the power steering system leaks, but a seal kit is included to address that issue. The body shows minor surface rust and a few dents consistent with its age. Number 3. 1979 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,000, features a 250 cubic inch inline-6 engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission. It has a gray exterior and comes equipped with a manual transmission, staying true to its classic roots. The truck runs and drives, but it does have a few known issues. It burns a significant amount of oil, and although valve seal replacement was considered, it was advised that the engine's age means the problem likely goes deeper. Despite this, the current owner has continued to top off the oil regularly, and the truck has been operating without major issues. Additionally, the brakes went out in November of last year, prompting a replacement of the master cylinder. Since then, the braking system has been addressed. Number 4. 1991 GMC Sierra 1500, price $6,300, equipped with a powerful 5.7L V8 engine and 4-wheel drive, 4x4 capabilities, making it suitable for both daily driving and light off-road use. With 191,000 miles on the odometer, it reflects consistent use over the years, yet still runs and drives well according to the current owner. The truck features an automatic transmission that shifts smoothly, contributing to a comfortable and effortless driving experience. Finished in a striking red exterior color with a matching red interior, the truck has a bold and cohesive look that's characteristic of early 90s American pickups. The interior is reported to be in great condition, showing signs of care and maintenance throughout the vehicle's life. This Sierra 1500 maintains its vintage charm while offering the practicality and durability that GMC trucks are known for. Additionally, the truck comes with a clean title in hand, ensuring a straightforward ownership transfer. Number 5. 1974 Ford F100, price $10,000. This truck is a well-maintained classic pickup that combines vintage appeal with upgraded performance. It has 97,500 miles on the odometer and features a brown exterior with a matching brown interior. Powered by a freshly built 302 cubic inch V8 engine board .30 over, this truck is equipped with flat-top pistons, stock rods and crank, and a Compex E284H camshaft. The heads have been resurfaced and fitted with screw and rocker arm studs and 1.6 ratio roller rockers, enhancing performance and reliability. The automatic C6 transmission has been fully rebuilt and includes a shift kit for improved responsiveness. Every mechanical component on this F100 has been replaced or restored to like-new condition, ensuring dependable performance. It runs on gasoline and comes with a clean title in hand, ready for its next owner. Number 6. 2000 GMC Sierra 1500, price $3,500, with 264,000 miles on the odometer. It has clearly been driven and used for what it was built for: tough, reliable work. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission that shifts smoothly, and the interior is finished in a practical gray, offering comfort and durability for daily use. While the truck runs and handles well overall, it does need a bit of attention. The exhaust system will need some repairs, and the air conditioning system requires a recharge to function at its best. Despite these minor issues, the vehicle remains mechanically sound and continues to perform well on the road. It would make a great choice for someone in need of a hard-working, budget-friendly truck with plenty of capability left. Number 7. 1992 GMC 1500, price $9,000, finished in blue with a matching blue interior. It retains a timeless look that stands out from today's more modern trucks. Under the hood, the original engine has been upgraded to a low-mileage LS swap, paired with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive, making it both powerful and smooth to drive. The truck is in good overall condition, showing only minor wear and tear consistent with its age. It rides on brand new tires and stylish new rims, adding both performance and visual appeal. The bed is a standard size, and the interior has been well maintained, offering comfortable seating and a clean cabin experience. While the paint could use some attention, this truck more than makes up for it with its upgraded drivetrain, classic styling, and reliable performance. Number 8. 1979 Ford F250, price $10,000. This truck is a classic heavy-duty pickup that combines rugged capability with vintage style. It features an automatic transmission, making it easy to drive both on and off the road. The exterior is finished in sleek black, while the interior is upholstered in a striking red, giving the truck a bold and timeless look. Underneath, this F250 is equipped with Dana's 60 axles both front and rear, providing exceptional durability and off-road performance. Inside, it offers a full bench back seat, ensuring plenty of room for passengers. Powered by a gasoline engine, this truck represents a solid mix of strength, style, and utility from the late 70s era of American trucks. Number 9. 1983 Chevrolet 3500, price $9,500, with only 87,000 original miles on the chassis and just 2,000 miles on a freshly remanufactured 350 V8 JEGS engine. It's ready to take on daily driving or heavy-duty work. Mated to a 4-speed manual transmission and equipped with a recently installed new clutch, the vehicle features rear-wheel drive and a 4.10 rear end, making it ideal for towing and hauling. It also includes a fifth-wheel gooseneck hitch for added towing capability. The engine breathes through a brand new Edelbrock carburetor and is kept cool with a new radiator. The oil has been recently changed, and the truck rides on new tires, ensuring it's road-ready. Finished in blue both inside and out, the truck retains its all-original interior. It holds a clean title and would make a great addition for anyone in need of a classic workhorse or a vintage tow rig. Number 10. 1988 Chevrolet S10, price $9,500. The truck features a V8 engine swap, equipped with a robust 350 cubic inch engine, which significantly boosts its power and capability compared to the factory engine. It is paired with a 700R4 overdrive automatic transmission, offering smoother shifts and better highway cruising efficiency. The exterior of the truck is finished in a clean white color that contrasts nicely with the vibrant blue interior, creating a visually striking combination. This Chevrolet S10 runs on gasoline and maintains its classic compact pickup design while benefiting from the added muscle and reliability of the V8 powertrain. Overall, this vehicle is perfect for someone who wants a dependable daily driver with increased performance and a distinctive appearance.